Alright, hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So I'm going to show you how I make a super efficient and cheap cobblestone generator for when you need to do AFK. Now granted, this is going to be your beginning AFK cobblestone generator. So if you don't have time to go down into your mine or wherever, or a cave, up into a mountain, and you just want to do it in your base where you're safe and you can collect fast cobblestone, way faster than you can get out in the open. So my first cobblestone generators that I used to make a very long time ago on my old server that is now shut down, I used to do this version without, of course, the waterlogged stairs, because we couldn't do that back then. And you would have the pistons creating the pushing mechanism of 2 layers, and then the third layer is where it is supposed to be created. But no matter how much I've slowed it down, it will not create cobblestone. So, in my experiments of trying to fix this problem, not only did I come up with a stone generator, but I came up with a new cobblestone generator that doesn't require the pistons or any redstone whatsoever, and winds up with this super fast cobblestone generating glitch, or maybe it is on purpose, I'm not sure, but it winds up being extremely fast. Just takes a second to get going. Later on, if you want to, you can upgrade, of course, with just hoppers. And if you want to make it a true long-term AFK, you can add 2 dispensers and some redstone with a dispenser that puts out stone or unenchanted iron picks, that kind of thing, with just a quick timer. 2 dispensers. Waterlog the hopper so the lava doesn't catch you on fire if you have fire spreads on. I did the same thing over here with the stairs. But before you do all that, you're going to make this version. This version takes hardly anything. You're going to need enough iron to make 1 bucket. You're going to need at least a stack of a building block of your choice, 5 stairs, 1 sign, 1 door, and then I usually put a torch right there so I can see. So now if you put it outside, the door will protect you, which is what's holding the water back, that 1 block. Or if you put it inside, it does the same thing. So if you do it inside, as you dig, you're going to create your own building block. So what I do is I come in, dig out a 5x8 hole, and as you can see, it's 3 blocks high. I usually go 1 block over and 1 block wider so I can access everything when I'm in my base. Have an access tunnel, of course. Alright, so then you're going to come over here. You're going to find the middle, which is the 3rd block from either side. Turn around, place a door. There's your door. You're going to build up 2 blocks to block in the door. Then you're going to build your water channel for your collection area. Right? Don't really need these. And then you're going to place your water. All the way down it goes. You're going to do 5 stair blocks. These will be waterlogged when you're done. You're going to make your channel. Oop, don't need that one. Right? And then you're going to waterlog each stair. Alright, that side's complete. Now you're going to separate the channels. Now right here I usually put an obsidian block. You can make one with a lava source. You don't have to have a diamond pick to make it. Or you can put something that's hard to break with a pick, like a crafting table. But you're not ever going to reach this thing. Trust me. So do that. Do that. Make our channel separator so the lava doesn't flow over. Oop, I forgot to grab the torch. I usually put a torch right there. That makes it bright enough to see. Right? Close yourself in the rest of the way. And you're good to go on this side. Now, the lava source. So, as you can see, I have a water source here, right? We only went 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So I did one too many. Place that there. That means that this will be a solid. And then we can make our channel. Go 2 blocks high for lava so your source block doesn't get changed into obsidian. Right? Just like so. And then you're going to take... Now you can do this with one lava source, but you're going to have to keep it close to the where you're going to mine. Like 3rd block. Otherwise, it will give you issues. But what you really want to do is 5 source blocks. Right? And there it goes. All 5. Alright? So now when you stand here, all the cobblestone will be pushed right into your pocket. The lava can light things on fire. That's why I leave the water there. Like I said previously. Put the sign there just to be safe, just in case you get some lag or something goofy. So, let's put this into survival, and I will show you how fast this thing works. Alright, we are in survival. As you can see, come in here, shut the door. I cannot fly. So, this is a Unbreaking 3, Mending 1, Efficiency 5, Diamond Pick, and Netherite Pick. So I'm going to show you how fast this thing gets going. So at first, you'll break all 5 blocks, and then slowly but surely you'll break less and less until it's 1 to 2 blocks. So as you can see. You can already see it's kind of fast. There it goes. It's starting to do it already. I'm already only breaking 3 blocks. 2 blocks. As soon as it starts kicking in, you'll only break 1 block. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. So 1 to 2 blocks. Look how fast this thing is going. There we go. 1 block. Look at it go. Super fast. And this is with a diamond pick. You can do this with any pick. Now granted, the better the pick, the faster it goes. As you can see, I've got a stack plus 15. Right? So let's get rid of that. And what we'll do is we'll clear space here. Here. We don't need any of this anymore. We'll put this at the beginning so you guys can see how fast this thing gets going. With a netherite pick. Alright, here we go. Now, like I said, it takes a second to get going, but as you can see, I never even made it to the 5th block. Now, if you back up a little bit, you can get this thing to start going fast a little sooner. But, as you can see, it doesn't matter. I'm already almost at a stack. Sit here and just go nuts. Now, if you put unenchanted picks in the dispenser with iron, you can get a tremendous amount of cobblestone. And normally what I do is I point my hoppers to one side, usually under the water, and I put my chest out there, and you could put up to 3, 6, whatever you need. And this thing will just pump out cobblestone. Look at how fast this thing is. In my opinion, I have not seen a faster cobblestone generator at all. Now I'm sure some of the people like Mumbo Jumbo and all them, they can come up with a system for Bedrock and Java that would be just as fast, but take a lot more resources. You just saw, it took nothing to build this. Nothing at all. And just like that, you have one of the fastest cobblestone generators ever. And it is cheap to make. And as you can see with those 2 picks, almost 4 full stacks that fast. And this is all it took. Right? So now once you do this, So you can see it spitting them out and collecting them, right? Now, if you're standing there and you fill your inventory, right? And you just stand here with a stone pick. It's going to keep spitting stone picks at you, but while it's running, it can collect them. So as long as you're not too close to this, when the stone pick breaks, you won't pick up that piece of cobblestone, and you'll get your next pick. See? Now watch what happens if I have too many. Alright? Because I threw those down, I screwed with it. So you have to adjust your timing, of course, to make slow enough. Because if this thing spits out picks too fast, the hopper cannot collect them fast enough. You cannot collect them fast enough, or you will collect all of them if you have the space in your inventory. Well, there you have it, guys. The fastest cobblestone generator you can make for as cheap as you can possibly make it. And I hope you guys have fun with that. See you guys later.